So welcome to my YouTube channel, Ruby Structures, where we'll be learning how to design and model structures, civil engineering structures, and analyze them also. On these tutorials we're having different modules. So this is the introduction. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and also share for a wider reach. So beginning with an introduction, and it's the format of these tutorials and also knowing the design flowchart. So for the format of these tutorials, we're having a course structure, and for the course structure we're having different modules, and each of these modules will last for 5 to 10 minutes. The modules are related, so I would recommend you follow them in order. The learning approach is going to be a step-by-step guide to building a simple model from start to finish. And it's suggested that you first view each model without hands-on practice. Then you repeat the model with hands-on practice. So you just go back and check to be sure what you've done is what we did in the video, and also how you can do it better. So you have a playback options. You can pause, rewind, fast forward the model if you miss anything. So for the design flowcharts, as we're going to start with opening the prototype structure, getting used to the environment, and also from there we'll now build the model. We'll start with creating axes, creating columns, creating walls, creating beams, and also creating of slabs. Then after we have done creating all of that and fixing it and creating a model, we'll check our model. And after we have finished checking our model, if our model passes, the idea of checking models is so you know that you did not fix 2 beams or 2 columns at a particular point, or maybe you did not fix a slab on, or maybe you place a column on top of a slab. So that's what, or maybe you have more axes on one place. So that's why you check your model. So if your model doesn't pass, or if it shows error, you have to go back to your model to make sure you make changes. And if it's okay, then we move ahead to loading our structures. When we load our structures, we now run our analysis, and from the analysis we got, from the results we got, we now design our member. Welcome.